What are the top 5 questions people ask about heating? 1. What is the best heating system for my home? The best heating system for your home will depend on a number of factors, including the size of your home, the climate you live in, and your budget. Some common types of heating systems include central heating. Central heating systems use a single furnace or boiler to heat your entire home. Central heating systems can be powered by gas, oil, electricity, or propane. Space heaters. Space heaters are used to heat individual rooms or areas of your home. Space heaters can be powered by electricity, gas, or kerosene. Fireplaces. Fireplaces can be used to heat your home, but they are not as efficient as other types of heating systems. Fireplaces can be powered by wood, gas, or pellets. 2. How can I make my heating system more efficient? There are a number of things you can do to make your heating system more efficient, including insulate your home. Adding insulation to your attic, walls, and floors can help to keep the heat in your home during the winter. Seal air leaks. Sealing air leaks around windows, doors, and other openings can also help to keep the heat in your home. Program your thermostat. Programming your thermostat to lower the temperature when you are asleep or away from home can help to save energy. Maintain your heating system. Having your heating system serviced regularly can help to keep it running efficiently. 3. How can I save money on my heating bills? There are a number of things you can do to save money on your heating bills, including make your home more energy efficient. The steps listed above for making your heating system more efficient can also help you to save money on your heating bills. Shop around for the best energy rates. If you have a choice of energy providers, shop around to find the best rates. Take advantage of energy rebates. Many utilities and government agencies offer rebates for energy-efficient home improvements. 4. How often should I have my heating system serviced? It is generally recommended to have your heating system serviced at least once a year. This will help to keep your system running efficiently and prevent any problems from developing. 5. What are the signs that my heating system needs to be replaced? If your heating system is more than 10 years old or if it is not working efficiently, it may be time to replace it. Here are some signs that your heating system needs to be replaced. Your heating system is not heating your home evenly. Your heating system is making strange noises. Your heating system is costing you a lot of money to operate. Your heating system is frequently breaking down. If you are unsure whether or not your heating system needs to be replaced, it is always best to consult with a qualified HVAC professional. Please check out the description for much more.